This video tutorial I will explain get display variant method of locale class which accept locale. Here I have defined the class locale demo. Here I have created locale object. In locale constructor I am passing language code, country code and variant code. Then I am calling get display variant method of locale object and getting the variant code and displaying that. Then I am creating a locale object and this time in locale constructor I am passing language code as FR and country code as FR. Then I am calling get display variant method of locale object and passing the FR locale. This method returns variant code that I am displaying here. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.